Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today it's yet another trendy video, as you can see. So you mark 9 inches and you cut. I'll take you a little bit speed, but bear the speed of this video, but in the course, keep watching. In the course you will know what I meant about. We are going to make a piping that goes through the placket, or the piping that makes the placket and the collar as well. So hope you have just gotten what I'm gonna take you through. So thereafter, marking the 9 inches going down, I'm going to put a curve there, not to be straight and pointed, but this time it's going to be a curve on it. Hope you can see what I am doing. You can see what I am doing, so I'll put a curve therein. If you are new on this video, I welcome you so much. I welcome you, and if you can give me a comment that I am new and subscribe on, with that I also know that someone has joined these videos or this channel. So you confirm by laying it on the table very well. As you can see, you see that collar shape, so watch me closely until the end. So from where we marked 9, we shall mark all around to know our tape, how long, at what length will it be. So you'll times it by 2 and you get it. Subscribe to this channel for more new videos that I'm yet to upload. So that is our tape. I cut it in bias. If you don't know how to cut it in bias very well, there are new videos, rather the videos that I did previously, you'll see them. So you see how beautiful our front part is. So, and that is our tape that we are going to sew therein. So I'm going to take you through, I'm going to take you to the machine and you see how I do it. You see how I do it. So as you can see, when you are sewing your tape, it has to exceed the mark of which I did. So shall you do when you are making yours. My dear watchers who are on this video, please, one, watch until the end. The second thing that I request you to do, watch the previous videos that I've done. With some of the videos you will note some that might be the challenge to you, and when you watch those videos there will be an answer, or they will solve the problem. So when you are sewing on this video that we are making, I'm teaching you about, when you reach at the corner, you sew very carefully, because it has to come out well, as our next parts are yet to show up on your channel, on your phone or on your tab. When you are watching this video, you have to sew all round, and you'll see the results from the start. If you have been following from the start, you saw where we started from. So at the end of the video, have learned a lot. So when you are stitching, and you're about to finish, you make sure you tighten there, because we are going to cut there, and we shall make a good finishing right there. So after sewing, we are going to cut the excess tape. We remove it. We no longer want it, so the size that we measured earlier on, it's enough. So let me show you how it will look like after sewing it. You see, after sewing, one thing you have to do, verify that it is equal. 2, if you have not yet subscribed, you subscribe. Why I'm reminding you to subscribe? Because more videos are yet to come out, and when you have subscribed, you will be able to see them. You put a notch there because what we want at the end, it is when we are turning it, it will be able to go inside. So that is on the table. Very flexible to be ironed. So let's go to the table, and you see it. There it is, how we are going to iron it. So I request you to keep watching. Don't skip, because the next parts are very crucial, because that's what determines our taping, our placket, our collar, because we are doing 2 things at once: the taping, the collar, and the piping and the placket. So you iron from inside at the 1/2 inches. Hope you can follow me very well. You iron it all around, and when you reach on the collar, on the corner rather, sorry, reach on the corner, you make sure that you have carved it very well, because our tape, our piping, it is very flexible for you to iron it. And now you can see the results when you have ironed it. So you press it very well. Because at the end of this video, we shall have solved that problem. Okay, as you can see me, and if you have followed since then and you are still holding on to see how it looks like, you will love it. It's very beautiful. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm pressing and yet to turn it inside, and the notch that we cut to look, when we are stitching it, it will look nice. So I'll iron it 1/2 inches, like as you can see, all around up to that side also. So you get your iron box and you press it all around, because what we need are the end results that are very fine. So as you can see, I'm going to stitch therein and all around. So I'll take it to the machine and show you how I'm going to stitch. Remember, we cut it in a V shape, so you have to sew in a V shape. You have to sew it in a V shape. This is, in this video, this is one of the last session on it, and I thank you for having kept up to this time, and thank you for watching these videos, and you are going to see the end result and how your piping stroke placket it will look like. I celebrate you for having kept on up to this time. Thank you so much.